Hi, I'm Jade. I work as an instructor for Gapforce. If you've ever dreamt of working in the outdoor industry, let me tell you about our new 28-day outdoor leader training course. This intensive month includes valuable training, leadership experience and plenty of feedback in the mountains of North Wales. You will gain nationally recognised qualifications. Our instructor-led workshops cover a wide range of topics that give you real insight into the outdoor industry. And to round it all off, you will complete your Summer Mountain Leader Award training. Whether you're looking to get into the industry or wanting to focus your time on developing your leadership skills and having a memorable team adventure in the Great British Outdoors, this course will deliver. For more information, head to the website and get in touch to book your place.